Hello, welcome back to Story Chronicles. In this video, we will learn about find command in Linux, a powerful and flexible tool used to search for files and directories. Unlike locate command, which relies on database, find performs a real-time search scanning directories and subdirectories based on your criteria. What is find? The find command allows you to search files by name, by type, by size, or by date. Locate file with specific permissions. Automate tasks like deleting and executing commands on files. The basic syntax: find, hat, options, and expressions. Hat where the search starts, for example, from the root, or from downloads, or from documents. Options, filters like file type and depth. And expression, what you are searching for. For example, name, size, and other conditions. Let's bring example. Search file by name, find, search file from root directory, name, and password. Let's clear the screen, make it with sudo. And we see here user bin password, user share doc password, user shake lintian overrides password, another file var lib containers io container and other password. All files with name password. Let's clear the screen. Let's search files by pattern. Find from the root name and pattern all files with txt extension. And we see files with txt extension here. Found all files with txt extension in our system. Let's clear the screen. How we can find and delete file? Let's first check. We have some file with test.txt name. Let's find it. Find file where we want to find. pvd find file in this directory. Okay. Grigger. Find file in this directory with name test.txt and execute rm command with I option curly spaces slash and this sign. Enter. rm remove regular file, empty file. So yes. Other file. Yes. ls. And we see that our test.txt removed. This command find file and prompts before deleting it. How you can find empty files in your system? Find, for example, from the root directory and dot empty file. List all empty files and folders in your system. Clear? How you can search files with specific permission. For example, let's check some permission, ls-a. Okay, let's clear the screen. Find from the root with permission 664. Find all files with this permission. Let's clear the screen. How we can display all directories and subdirectories recursively? You can do that with find home trigger minus dash type and id. And this command file found all directories which is located in these directories and its subdirectories. We can also search files by text which is inside some file. Okay, let's create file touch test txt echo trigger test test txt cat test txt. Okay, let's execute command find in this directory by type file by name asterisk.txt. So we narrow our condition for searching files. Execute grep trigger curly spaces and this enter. So yes, we want to find all files in this directory with type file with name asterisk.txt, all files with txt where Grigor pattern should be exist in these files. Clear the screen. How we can find recently modified files? By this way, find home trigger minus mtime 7. Okay, 30. Clear 10. Shows files modified in the last 10 days. How you can find large files? Okay, find from root directory dash type file dash size plus 100 m. List files larger 100 megabyte. Okay, let's make it 2. Clear with sudo. So in here we see files which is over 200 megabyte. Finds files modified in the last 24 hours. Find dash type f mtime -1. Displays files changed within the last day. How we can limit search depth? We can do that, but find dot max depth to name and condition asterisk dot txt. Searches only up to 2 directories level deep. You can find all other information about find command referring to manual pages man find, and you can find here different options and descriptions that options. So important options is name search by name minus iname case insensitive search dash type f or d file or directory dash size with filter by size dash m time filter by modification time dash perm filter by permission dash empty find empty files and dash exec run commands on results. So how find works? It starts from given directory, recursively scan all subdirectories, applies filters like name, size, etc., returns matching result, optionally execute command on them. So that's the find command, one of the most powerful tool in Linux. If you want full control over file sorting and automation, this command is essential. Don't forget like, subscribe, and check out for more Linux tutorial. Thank you.